Today we gonna feed these guys. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Right now we're gonna do a little distraction. All right, guys. See y'all on the other side. Gotta get us some exercise in. Gotta make them work for the food, so we make them come from one field to the other field, so we can get out the way and make them work out a little bit. We over here. All right. Now time for my favorite part, the feed. Today we feeding a little. Got some cow feed right here. Got some bread down in there. Yeah. Some pears. Yeah. Cucumbers. You know, you never know. All veggies, baby. All veggies. Zucchini, squash, we got it all. All right, let's put it down for the cows. Today we got a little deer feed. We gonna go ahead and bust it open for them. They know what time it is. Ooh-wee. Safe tip for you guys. If you guys ever feeding your cows or you're not used to being around large animals, never get in there while you feed or while they feed it. Feed away from the herd. But that's a safe tip. Well, from the City Boy Cowboy.